This is our Casero Duo bed. It's a really nice padded, comfy, homely looking bed, but with the full medical profiling. So you've still got your reverse Trendelenburg and your Trendelenburg function. You've also got your high-low function, so nice and high up to 725 millimeters for your cares and your transfers, and then all the way down to the ground for potentially your kiddies that can assist with those transfers crawling in and out of bed. It has a central braking function. You can get side rails, either just to the top half or 2 sets of half to get your full coverage. We can also supply padded mesh side rail covers for those side rails to reduce any risk of entrapment. But we do talk to our therapists about potentially reducing the height of the bed all the way to the ground and then removing those side rails completely because it's so low that there's no risk. It's a great option because it does future-proof our clients as they get taller with a built-in foot extension. This bed's available in a single, super single, double and queen size option.